Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint Cosmos. No fields is equal to no particles. This is the concept behind quantum field theory or QFT. In short, this is known as QFT, quantum field theory. So what is the main concept? No fields is equal to no particles. Whenever we think of particles, what comes to our mind? Particles are like tiny billiard balls flying through space. That is our general concept. But quantum field theory tells us a radically different story. According to QFT, no fields is equal to no particles. That means for the existence of particles, fields must exist. But not only one field, there are different types of fields for different particles. Different particles like electrons are there. So for electron field is there. For the existence of electrons, electron field is there. Then photon, those are another kind of particles. For photon, another field is there known as electromagnetic field. Similarly, Higgs field is there. What is the function of Higgs field? What does it do? For the presence of Higgs field, particles gain their mass. When particles interact with the Higgs field, they gain their mass. Means existence of mass is just due to the presence of Higgs field. Again, the fields interact with each other. Different fields interact with each other. Electromagnetic field interacts with electron field, and that's why light can apply pressure or light can exert pressure or force on electron. Light means what? Photon particles, and that is due to the presence of electromagnetic fields. So when electromagnetic fields interact with electron fields, in that case this thing happens. Light can exert force on electrons. That means particles can be considered as the ripples in the vast ocean of quantum fluctuations. Better to say quantum motion. It's better to say quantum motion. Means particles are like ripples in the quantum motion. Different particles are there, and for that thing, different fields are there. So what is the concept behind these fields? These fields are something like which permeate all of space and time. And when at a particular point there is an excitation of the field or vibration of the field, then we perceive at that point the particle, or we perceive that thing as a particle at that point. That way also we can say the same thing. Okay. So if you study quantum field theory, then you can see that the general concept of particles actually changes. The existence of particles is just due to the presence of fields. Since fields are there, that's why particles are there. So many types of fields are there, and accordingly so many types of particles are there. But all the fields do not produce particles. I have already mentioned one example such as Higgs field. Higgs field do not produce particles. Higgs field, when interact with particles, it gives them, means Higgs field that give them mass to the particles. And one more thing, in quantum electrodynamics, this theory, that means QFT, this theory gives us a result which is correct, which is accurate to 12 decimal places. Yes, 12 decimal places. We get result to such an accuracy. And just keep in your mind that nothing in science is more precise. Again, standard model of particle physics. If you study that thing, there you will also get the same thing. What is the matter of discussion in standard model of particle physics? That explains to us the nature of forces. except gravity. And all these things can be well explained by the help of QFT, that is quantum field theory. So in modern time, means at present, if you think about particles, means if you think about the universe, or if you want to know the reality of the universe, then stop thinking about particles. You should start thinking about fields to know the reality of the universe. Normally what we do? Normally we think about particles or think in terms of particles. Okay? But today's science, modern science, or better to say, more specifically to say, quantum field theory tells us that we should always think in terms of fields. Fields are there, different types of fields interact with each other, and that's why we can see many things. Okay, so this was all about today's topic. So if you found this video fascinating, please hit the like button and share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so see you in the next video. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.